All right, so today I'm working on this stage amplifier, and what's going on is it powers on, but it only works for a short period of time and then it cuts off. When I open the amplifier during the diagnostics, what I found is the bleed on the capacitor, and I'm going to show you what this means. If you take your amplifier apart and you're looking for something on the board to see if there's something wrong, what you're going to look for is any type of chemical burn. That's what that is right there. You can see this is a white board, so everything on the board should be white unless it's one of the mechanisms that's soldered to the board. So it's in two places. It's here, which you can see the discoloration, and also it is underneath those caps. Usually those are cap filters. Of course, they come in different sizes, but this is bleed, and if we can get those off the board, without disturbing anything else on the board, there's a likely chance we might be able to get this amplifier to play consistently without cutting out. So this is just troubleshooting an amp and looking for things on the board that might be diagnosed as a problem. And in this case, while troubleshooting, you can see chemical distortion, discoloration on the board.